What I did to get the Ford drive shaft bolts out, they're 17 mil. I took my impact swivel, just put my impact on there, just broke it free like that. This is the last one. I still gotta take it. Bitch is falling out. A nice fat chunk out of it, makes pretty decent progress. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to burn it and then pull it off because I stripped the fuck out of that bolt. I bought all sort of sockets to try to get it off. That didn't work, none of them worked. And yeah, this is where I'm at right now. Hammering away at that fucking nut over there with these goddamn chisels. And this bitch, and then finally I was able to get a fucking ratchet on it. I think we got it. Well, there she is, boys. There's a little sleeve I have to clean up, and we'll be all good. So you can see I have the scraper gear tied up to over here on the subframe supporting because I want to burn the fuck out of this sensor. And I finally got a big ass chunk out of it out. Okay. Still kind of picking at it here. Some bore trying to resist the heat. Just gotta really have some patience to do this bullshit. Got close, got almost perfect. There she is, this final bitch is out. It's looking pretty nice in there actually. It didn't do really that bad of a job with the sawzall by cutting it in there. That's not bad. Got the jack up under the ball joint press. But you can see there's still a little bit of gap and I need to clear up. And a ball joint press only gets it partial of the way in because it can't clear it right there. It's not deep enough to go under the subframe like that. So you have two options. You can buy one of these little tools from Z1 Motorsports. I believe they cost like 130 bucks or some shit like that. Or you can go to Lowe's and make one yourself. So what I got from Lowe's is I got a long rod, threaded rod. It's a 5/8 with an 11 thread pitch. And just some 5/8 nuts on there. And these steel plates. Whatever the fuck they really are. Yeah, this side, just took it, put it on the back of the subframe, and this side presses against the bushing, and you just tighten it up with a socket. Hold this side with a wrench. I used like a 24 socket on there, 24 mil, and just keep compressing it until she finally seats her way in there. Just show you guys how it splits. There you can see she's tight compared to what it was. You see how she's finally sticking flush up against there like that, so she'll be flush against the diff. I took the liberty of popping out the sleeve because the 5/8 rod would not fit in there, so I just had to pop it up, and while I was out I just fucking rubbed silicone all over it and then just smashed her back in. I don't know, so she should be stuck in there for good now. Yeah, she's definitely in there good, about as good as you can get it. Took a sawzall. So he's cut the sleeve of the bushing out right there. And then I was just able to take a little pry bar and just pry right out. Came right out. And you can see I kind of cut into it a little bit. A lot of bit. Hopefully she doesn't fucking break. That one I did better. That bitch goes on top like that. Why she's good. As you can see, I got that rear diff bolt in there. I got the stud poking through the sleeve. It's kind of a bitch to maneuver over that fucking sway bar right there. But yeah, it looks like I'm gonna be able to just jack it up, bolt in those 2 bolts, and that last bolt should be good. Gotta make sure to torque this rear nut to spec. Torque spec is 81 foot-pounds.
If you guys are watching this to learn how to do it on your car, I recommend not buying the energy suspension bushings package. I'll tell you why. It's because the sleeve, like see right here in the white lines, I recommend them because that sleeve is built in to the bushing that actually is in your subframe, or going to be pressed into your subframe. See right there, that's the sleeve that you had to burn out, as you saw, and this is what you have to press it into. And now it can come loose with vibration, and being that it's in your subframe, it vibrates quite a large amount, and it's kind of scary. Mine's actually walked out a little bit, and I'm going to have to fix that. So yeah, I just recommend not going with these for that reason. And yeah, make sure you test your car for wheel hop after your installation, because if they're still flopping around, you got to make sure you tighten all the bolts or whatnot. But yeah, I hope this video helped you guys, because when I was looking for videos, I didn't really find much on energy suspension. I just saw everyone to the white line, and I guess I see why now. So.